Flood myths, folks. They're everywhere, from ancient Mesopotamia's Epic of Gilgamesh to the biblical tale of Noah's Ark. What's with humanity's obsession with world-ending H2O? Let's dive in. You see, cultures like the Sumerians and Babylonians experienced unpredictable floods, so they turned to storytelling to make sense of it all. Boom! Gilgamesh saves humanity by building a massive boat. Fast forward to the Hebrew Bible, and we meet Noah, another boat builder extraordinaire. But wait, there's more. The Hindu myth of Manu, the Chinese story of Yu the Great, even the Aztecs had their own flood myth. What's the takeaway here? Well, these tales not only helped ancient people rationalize natural disasters, but they also connected them through a shared human experience. So, next time you're caught in a downpour, remember, you're part of a timeless saga.